Experience Jota Machinery's JT-SLT-900FA, a fully automatic line that transforms jumbo thermal rolls into finished, packaged products through complete smart automation. The process begins with hydraulic roll loading. A single operator can easily lift and position a jumbo roll weighing hundreds of kilograms onto the unwinder stand. The hydraulic arms secure and center the roll automatically, ensuring a stable feed and perfectly aligned tension for the next steps. Next, the system automatically feeds paper cores onto the rewinding shafts. Each core is precisely positioned by servo control, eliminating manual handling and guaranteeing perfect alignment. This automation not only saves labor but also improves consistency between every finished roll. As the paper travels through the machine, rotary slitting blades cut it into multiple narrow rolls at high speed. The JT-SLT-900FA operates with intelligent tension control, keeping each roll tight and uniform, even at speeds up to 300 meters per minute. Our high-precision rewinding ensures clean edges and smooth surfaces, ready for end use in POS, ATM, and cash register systems. Once rewound, rolls automatically transfer to the shrink wrapping unit. A layer of heat shrink film covers each set of rolls, then passes through the heating tunnel for sealing. This step protects the rolls from dust, moisture, and handling damage, ensuring they arrive to customers in perfect condition. Finally, finished rolls are automatically counted, arranged, and packed into boxes. This final step completes the fully integrated production line. No manual work, no interruptions, just continuous and efficient operation. From jumbo roll to finished retail roll, the JT-SLT-900FA brings together slitting, rewinding, wrapping, and boxing into one seamless process. It represents Jota Machinery's commitment to helping converters worldwide achieve higher productivity and consistent quality.